Yo, what's up mga kabayan? JD Dagang nga pala. Si Bella. Saka si Mahal. Ayan, so dito pa rin kami ngayon sa Baguio City. Mamamasyal kami ulit. Why you always say hello aso? Lagi nagsabi ng hello aso si Bella kasi ang dami kasing aso rito. Kaya lagi niyang binabati. So kagandahan lang, malapit yung location ng bahay nila Mrs. sa mga pasyalan dito. What?
Are we here yet?
Not yet. You need to walk.
I don't want to walk.
You don't want to walk?
No. I want to take taxi.
You want to take taxi? Ayan, so walking distance lang lahat ng mga pasyalan dito. Botanical, Wright Park sa Mansion, walking distance lang kala Mrs.
I want to go to Botanical Garden again.
Pero for today's video guys, pupunta kami ng Wright Park sa Mansion. Okay? Ayan guys, dito na kami ngayon sa Wright Park. At gusto pala ni Bella mag-ride daw ng horse. Gusto niya yung pink, yung may pink na buhok. You wanna ride the pink horse, Bella? Kaso wala ata silang pink horse now I think they don't have the pink horse naman, no?
I'm going to ride the horse.
Wait lang. Not yet. Ito yung rate nila ngayon dito sa Wright Park. Ayan. Sige. Kabal ba sumurot magnamay sa ikot lang? Kabalyo, sige. Bella. Hi. How was it? Hi Bella. How was it, Bella? How's it? Good? Tapos na si Bella mag-ride ng horse. Packet naman siya rito. Ayan guys, so packet na kami dito sa stair. Ayan o.
Daddy?
Yes. Nung una kong akyatin to, kala ko mataas. Mas mataas pa pala yung akyatan dun sa bahay nila Mrs. Ano? Ito naman, di ba?
Daddy?
Siguro mga 2,000 kon yun, no? 2,000 kalimutan ko. Mga 2008, ganon. Feeling ko talaga sobrang taas nito yung aakyatin mo, hingal na hingal ka. Pero walang wala to dun sa inaakyat namin. Pataas kay Mrs. Promise. Are you tired? Picture daw tayo, oh. Bella, smile! One more. Basic pala, basic.
Magkano tao ba?
50 ano? Gusto mo rin?
Isa lang?
Yung flavor ka tapos yung ano? Ano gusto mo? Strawberry? O
Original.
original? Isang ibang ko yun. Isang strawberry sa yung favorite.
Wait.
Sige kuya. Wanna try the taho? What do you want? You want the original or you want the strawberry?
Strawberry.
Mix.
Mix.
Mekos. Oh,
Yellow.
try.
Ang tamis naman ng ano.
How was it?
Yum.
Yummy? You like it? Anong lasa? Lasang taho.
Welcome to my channel.
Umunag ba ni Kwani Rodel? Umunag ba?
Why you're sad? Why you're sad?
I want to play in the park.
You want to play in the park? We're in the park. We're in Burnham Park. Ano Burnham? Mines View Park.
Fly.
So yung mga halaman dito.
Money maker.
Baba kami.
Look at that, Daddy.
Wow. What?
Iwat mang mga tita ukot.
Sarap. Masim.
Sobra, sarap. Walang tatalo.
Wait lang, Bella. Hold my hand. Gimme. Hi guys. So, coffee muna kami. Dito nila mahal. Ayan. Nice. So, ito yung view. How was it, Bella? How's the ambience? Good, right? Hi.
Enjoying the view.
Chill na chill ka dyan, ha? Sa mangga mo, ha? Yeah.
Oh.
Hi guys! Chill lang kami dito ni Bella and look at our view. Wow!
Huh?
Look at that! Wow!
Where's my bread?
Your bread is here. Here's your bread, oh. Show them your bread. You like it?
No, that's not what I want.
No, they don't have that one.
No more. There's no more. Wala na. But where's my Milo?
That's your Milo. Napakaraming arte tong batang to.
What's that?
Smile.
Wala na
Look at that view.
Mommy? Ma? Is that spaghetti spicy?
No, that's carbonara. It's yummy.
Can I try?
Go try.
Is it hot?
Extra chocolate on top. A chocolate inside, see? Yo, ayan mga kabayan, pauwi na kami. Pagod na si Bella, oh. Pagod ka na? Pagod na yan, ha? Pabuhat na siya kay mami niya. Ayaw niya sa akin eh, hindi siya kasi sa likod ko eh, masyadong mataba. Take out kami, oh. Saging. So, yun lang guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you sa mga next naming video. Yun lang. Babush!